I'm here with Kevin from GreenGirt, and just yesterday he was telling me about a really cool product that can help make our windows, when installed, have a better thermal value and make achieving that thermal value a lot easier. Tell us about it.
Yeah, thanks for asking. At Advanced Architectural Products, a lot of the products that we manufacture, actually all the products that we manufacture are composite metal hybrid, which means it takes the best properties of fiberglass and metal and works together. And so we've been applying that product to walls for over 14 years, installed in over 4,000 projects, and we kept hearing from people that they wanted our technology to also be supplied for the surrounds around windows. And that's one of the things that we were working on. Just launched our product last year, where we take that same composite metal hybrid technology, use it on the window surround, so you get the thermal properties plus the additional structural integrity to push the window outboard, so it aligns with the plane of the insulation, so you get that maximum thermal efficiency.
Yeah, you want to keep those isotherms nice and straight.
Right, exactly. And that's one of the things that there's a desire to do that in the industry, but the technology didn't always exist, where you couldn't get the thermally insensitive properties of composite materials, but the structural integrity of having metal components there as well. And that's one of the things that we do really well with composite metal hybrid, is really leverage the best properties of both materials.
And before something like this, the options were like, oh, I'll build a buck, and then so you now have a little more complex carpentry skills needed. But here you're taking a system that's, I think, probably a little easier to work with and getting more structural strength out of it as well, and better thermal performance.
Exactly, and that's one of the things that's nice about our product is it actually installs the same way any wood or any other legacy material, any steel-based systems would install, but it provides that additional value. So it's familiar to the installers, but also so much more thermally efficient. Like one of the things that we hear is that using wood or some of the other legacy materials has approximately a 45% thermal efficiency. And one of the great things about when you make the transition to GreenGirt XO is it provides that 97% thermal efficiency. So you're doubling the thermal efficiency while still providing the structural integrity to hold the windows.
And talk to me about also, like, when I'm going to install the window out there, I need it to stay in that opening, and I got to screw into something that's actually going to hold my window in place.
Exactly, and that's one of the things that's sort of fundamental to everything at Advanced Architectural Products is every fastener has a steel connection. So everything is that steel to steel connection. So you don't need to worry about how the product will evolve or degrade or anything over time, because there's always that steel to steel connection. And that's something that's so important in the industry, is making sure that those connections will last forever.
That's great. Thank you so much, Kevin.
Great,
I wish you the best of luck with that product.
All right, thanks for coming. Take care.
You too.